and Happy New Year from Oxygen Alliance. As we are beginning this new year, remember that the first 28 days of life is the most vulnerable time for a child's survival. This is why medical equipment used to support them needs to be performing at its best. Oxygen Alliance is excited to bring you its first Oxygen Talk this year on Thursday, the 11th of January 2024. Our OpenO2 engineers will be shedding more light on the topic of neonatal oxygen-related equipment. They will explore different oxygen-related equipment used in neonatal departments and guide us through their care and maintenance. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Enhance your knowledge and skills in caring and maintaining these oxygen-related equipment. Together we can make a difference. Together we can save our babies. Don't miss out.